I want to build a $1 billion company as my vision, and with my missions, I want to change many people's lives. I will get on my goals using some of the tips getting from AMI. I'm Yannick Tuyishime, CEO and co-founder of Tsapal Company Ltd, which is a footwear and apparel manufacturing company based in Rwanda. I've learned about negotiation. There is a tool called cash flow from forecast, which I'm using today. So it is really helping. It is really helping as I can by now um, record regularly how is my cash flow in the business. I negotiated with my landlord about the April month rent, and he waived us that month. Yeah, which is really helping us as we are all struggling with the financial status. There is a course I've attended like 1 week ago about how to communicate effectively. And by now I'm using it. Yeah, for sure I'm using it with my staff members. We are communicating effectively, sharing some resources. I can encourage them to attend AMI courses as they can benefit much to grow their business sustainably.